Pinoy trucker.
Not Pinoy. Hey, you
Pinoy.
know what my favorite is?
What?
Chocolate meat.
Huh?
Chocolate meat.
Chocolate? What's chocolate?
Chocolate meat.
Chocolate me?
They cook the meat in the blood.
That's.
Come on, bro.
You like that?
Pinoy.
You like that?
Come on, man. Yeah.
That's dinuguan. Hey, buds.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. You got a tape measure I can use?
Sure. You. Yeah.
Smaller, but let me see.
Yeah. Take your time.
80, 15.
80 and 15. I don't know. It depends on your permit. Mga Chay. Good morning internet, good morning viewers, good morning Floyd Ayua. So bakit Floyd? Na-cancel yung aking Texas. On hold pa daw yung mga equipment. Kaya divert dito sa Ayua. Ayua, Devonport, Ayua. So may kukunin akong equipment. Hindi siya farm equipment. Gender din siya. Just like this, gender, pero hindi siya farm equipment. Isa siyang pang laging nasa bahay. Oh, I mean, laging equipment yung mga kahoy, pagputol yata ng kahoy ito na parang skidder. Yeah. So anyway, kahapon
you have 7 hours and 31 minutes of remaining drive time.
Kwento ko lang habang tumigil ako dito kanina para mag-shower. And again, napakabilis na lang ng aking shower today. Wala pang 30 minutes. Tapos, unlike before na mahaba yung aking buhok, ang daming mga seremonya, ang daming mga ina-apply ko sa buhok just to prevent na magtanggal. Meron, lalo pag winter time, meron pa kong blower. Ang dami kong seremonya sa aking buhok. Ang hirap mag-maintain ng mahabang buhok actually. Mahirap. So, tumigil ako dito. Ngayon lang. Kanina 30 minutes ago. Para mag-shower, fuel shower kasi from Ayua dito ako dumaan sa itong laging dinadaanan namin. So, yun nga, ang bilis mag-shower, no? Fresh. Kasi kahapon, pagka-unload ko kahapon dun sa farm, kung saan sabi ko talaga sa aking sarili, sa aking dispatch, sabi ko sa kanya, you know what, I'm empty. Siyempre, ganda ng pagka-construct ng I'm empty, but this would be my last, this would be my first and last load ng no more. Tapos reply ng aking dispatch, yes, it will be the last. Ang hirap. Meron akong video kahapon na shortcut na siya yung pagtutupi ko ng tarp, meron pa. Then pagka-unload, meron pa. I don't know. Ito yung laging sinasabi na basta pagod ka, huwag kang makialam, pahinga muna, huwag mong pakialaman agad yung phone mo, yung mga videos para hindi mawala yung mga ginawa mo. So kulang siya. So kahapon yung nakita nila before mag-end yung video ay yung nagbukas ako ng trailer. Pero meron yung yung nag-unload na lakas ng ulan, basang-basa. And then ang pinaka-worst doon, kaya I appreciate sa mga kababayan natin na nagtatarp, no? Hindi talaga madali. Hindi siya madaling mag-tarp. Hindi siya madaling. Mas okay pa, convenient pa ako mag-load ng mga big loads. Huwag lang talaga yung tarp. Lalo pag umuulan, lalo pag bumahangin, ang lakas ng hangin, ulan, kahapon, talagang mindset na lang. Sabi ko, well, matatapos na naman to, pero wala na, basa-basa ka na, basa na yung gloves mo. Ang hirap ng itupi ng tarp dahil basa, lalong mabigat. Pagbuhat mo ng tarp, yung tarp pa namin, yung may flap na mabigat, full force yung power, boom, lapag sa trailer. Ubus ang aking lakas kahapon kasi tatlo yung tarp, tatlo lang yan ha, tatlo lang yan. Hindi pa kami madalas mag-tarp, okay? Once in a blue moon, once in a blue moon. Kung hindi lang siguro umulan the last few days, 2 days, I think hindi siya kailangan i-tarp, no? Hindi siya kailangan i-tarp. So na-tarp lang dahil nagkataon na yung aking schedule ng pick up ng load na yon ay ulan, maulan siya. So na-timingan, no? Pero kaya sabi ko nga, that would be my first and last load ng hay, no more. And isa pa, ang pinakapangit doon, yung mga straw, yung mga hay, yung mga damo, nandun lahat sa trailer. Okay? Ngayon, kung magpapahugas ako ng trailer dito ngayon sa largest truck stop, yung bed ng trailer, hindi kasama yan, di ba? Alam yan. Hindi kasama yan pag hinuhugasan yung truck mo at saka trailer. Ang hinuhugasan dyan sa low beacon is yung side lang, likod, side, pati sa truck sa taas. Pero yung bed mismo ng trailer, hindi nila hinuhugasan. Iba yung price doon, no? So naisip ko, iba yung price. I think 5 minutes per 1 minute yung paghuhugas doon. So of course, dahil $5 wala, $5 per 1 minute ang charge nila. So kung hugasan nila yung $5 per 1 minute, kahit sino naman, di ba? Kahit ako, huhugasan ko yan, tatagalan ko yan. I'll make it sure na malinis lahat. $5 per 1 minute, di ba? Masyadong mahal. Titirahin nila yung bed. Lilinis yung bed. Laki ng charge kay Q-Line. So, na-timing nga naman itong aking pick-uping load ay papuntang Regina. Okay? John Deere. Papuntang Regina. So, I think for sure yung aking maglo-load ako sa Saskatoon after ng Regina. Doon na lang akong papahugas. Okay lang yun, sige lang. Pero nakakaya talagang mag-drive na sobrang dumi ng truck. Sobrang dumi ng truck, ng trailer, nakakaya mag-drive. Hindi ako sanay na irarampa mo tong equipment sa highway na ganun ka pangit, no? And yeah, kaninang umaga nag-drive ako papunta doon. Ngayon, I don't know if mapipick up ko yung load ngayon dahil sabi sa akin kahapon ng dispatch, drive, sabi niya maghanap ko muna ng parking. Sabi ko sa kanya, saan ako banda maghanap ng parking? Sa west side, south side, north side, or east side? Kasi kung hanap ko ng parking papuntang south, tapos yung aking load pala nandito sa east, layo, di ba? Buti kahapon may parking ako nakita just close 7 miles from sa Bessemer. May maluwag na parking, lakas ng hangin, lakas ng ulan, akala ko may tornado, talagang uuga yung aking truck kahapon, kagabi. Kaya yung napanood ninyong video, kulang na siya, no? Hindi nyo na nakita yung pagtatar. Much okay na rin yun na hindi nyo nakita kasi ayaw ko rin habang nanonood kayo parang feel nyo na nahihirapan din kayong ano ba ginagawa ni Margo. Ayoko yung okay na siguro yun, hindi nyo nakita para hindi nyo makita yung pain, yung hirap. Nandoon na yung minerals doon sa lupa, nandoon na yung tubig, then nandoon na yung mga minerals ng mga pinangahalo nila, mga hay na hinahalo nila doon, mga ano pa ba yung mga foodstuff na hinahalo nila doon sa area, nandoon sa ground, putik, tupi, lakas pa ng hangin, pagkalagay mo, palit ng hangin. Sabi ko maghapon, kung hindi ko ito matupi na maayos, tarp, itatapon mo ng tarp. Pag nandun na yung negativity ng utak mo na lakas ng ulan, lakas ng hangin, tubi ang tarp, tapon mo to. Bahala na sila magalit sa gitna. Nakuha naman sa hangin, nakuha sa pasensya na, okay, take it easy, matatapos ito. Tubi, papak muna, then hangin, hindi na kapormang hangin, pag wala ng hangin, tubi. Pero ang bigat niya, laki, sobrang bigat. Kaya kahapon, yung aking energy, naubos talaga, all the way, naubos talaga. Nakahapunan na ako, pagpasok ko sa truck, basang-basa. Tapos yung tinigilan ko, upang kahapon, walang shower. Yung tinigilan ko, wala na silang shower. So, ilapos na lang, punas, palit ng damit, palit ng underwear, everything palit. Then luto ng kanin, hapunan. Then maya after 30 minutes, wala na, stop na. Full na empty, na drain yung aking energy kahapon sa load na yun. Kaya no more again, no more for A. No more. And sabi na English mas, hey, mag-drive ka, punta na, pagod na. Ako na rest, gusto ko mag-recharge. So far now, naka-charge ng power bank, nakaligo na, napakagaan ng ulo. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-comments sa Facebook and dito sa YouTube. Yung gumupit dito ay magaling na bata. May nag-comment dyan na yung nagupit sa akin ay pamangkin niya. Shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout kay GB dyan sa Winnipeg, yeah. Pero hahaba pa naman to. Gusto ko lang siyang mag-start today ng mixing, then bago siguro mag December, 2 months time, kakapal na ng konti yan. So at least, diba? Wala na yung long hair, no more. Baka na yan.
Keep left dry 80 east.
Oh shit. Kita nyo yun? Suot siya sa isang trailer tsaka isang school bus. Wow. Kaya be careful sa mga drivers, mga malilit na mga drivers na mga small cars. Kasi akala nila yung driving sa highway minsan ay parang GTA or Need for Speed na games. Kaya the way sila mag-drive, parang yalla habibi, kandu box baza. Okay, ito yung papasok ako sa 80 eastbound. Ito busy din to na highway. Ilang beses na kami dumadaan ito, halos every now and then before. Papuntang Virginia, papuntang tawag dito Tennessee, dito ka dadaan. Tinatawag na I-80. Itong I-80, napaka-busy na highway. Napaka-busy ng highway na to. Minsan 3 lanes, minsan 2 lanes. Ako, kukunin ko agad yung 3 lanes kasi ito magko-close na tong 4th lane eh. So itong 80, again, napaka-busy na highway. Napaka-busy nito. Daming truck puntang eastbound. Okay, kita nyo sa unahan, no? Puno ang lane ng mga trucks. So you can stay in your lane if you want. Gusto mong dito ka lang, that's okay. No contest, walang problema yan. But gusto mong mag-overtake dahil meron kang hinahabol na time sa yung pickup, that's okay. Walang bawal, walang signs na nakalagay, no overtaking. Basta as long as it's safe and sound, be careful with this one. Kasi minsan, pag alam nilang kaya nilang tirahin, titirahin nila yun. Wow, that's classic, man. Galing sa Manila, fair truck. Yeah, ga-alarm siya. So again, you can stay in your lane if you want. Ayaw mo magmamadali, tama lang, takbo, pwede yun. Kita nyo, ang dami oh. Pag gusto mong rat-rat, gusto mong makuha yung time na meron kang hinahabol sa yung pick-up, sa yung unloading, then you can do back and forth na overtaking. Pwede kang magstay sa middle, that's okay. Pwede kang magstay dito, walang problema yan. Walang question yan, magstay ka dyan. Kasi minsan ang right lane nagko-close, nagme-merge sa nagiging 2 lane siya. Gusto mong sa third lane? Pwede. Pero bawal kang magstay na matagal sa first lane, no? Pag ginawa mo na yung overtake, kailangan bumalik ka sa median or bumalik ka sa third lane. Either sa dalawa. Pero hindi ka pwedeng magstay for 1 hour, 2 hours dito sa first lane. Itong first lane, hindi ka pwedeng magstay dyan. Lalo pag truck ang dala mo. No. So ako ay ang isang truck overtake siya sa likod, sa right side. I don't know, eh puno ang right side. Paano niya gagawin yung overtaking? Then dito, nakikita ko rin yung speed ng isang truck sa unahan. 66 miles an hour. Pwede ko naman siyang rat-ratin eh. Pwede ko siyang tirahin. I'm just waiting for the right time. Yeah, halos mga sasakyan dito full speed. Yan, halos mabutan ko na yung yellow na yan, Schneider. Orange pala. Yan ang yellow. Oops, yellow car. Diba, yan ginagawa sa atin. Yellow car, tap agad. Be careful with this one, papasok yan. Diba? Basa mo na agad yung style nila eh. Hindi ka nga itong Volvo sa likod, hindi makahintay eh. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. Kasi itong Schneider 66 miles an hour. Kauntol-untol na siya. Then meron pang isa sa gitna. Nasa gitna din siya. I'm gonna coming in. Yeah, lumipat siya sa left side, right side. So yun sinasabi ko, pwede kang mag-overtake back and forth. Katapos dito, balik ka dito. Pwede mo silang lagpasan lahat basta kaya ng speed mo. Pero kung tingin mong 107 ka lang, 65 miles an hour, just stay here, right side. Kasi yung mga truck na yan, 65 or 67 miles an hour. So walang chance na makapag-overtake ka kung yung speed mo ay the same lang sa speed nila. Nothing. Walang mayayari sa'yo. Kita mo yung dalawa? Okay, the same speed silang dalawa. The same speed. Oh, di ba? Paano makaka-overtake yan ngayon? The same speed. Kaya stay put ka rito sa right side. Third lane. Ito, medyo mabilis ng konti. Isa. Holy, look at that. Holy, look at that. Too close, eh? Carter Express sa Big Boy. Yeah, ubos silang lahat. Okay, change lane. Tama ito aking papasukan. Ducks.
Turn right.
Machinery loading. Okay. Oh, nice. Meron silang parking dito. And you know, bukas pa pala yung aking appointment. So I'm gonna stay here. Kaya bukas pa ang aking equipment. Ganito yung aking load. Yeah, so nakaangat sa taas. And then,
Arriving at coordinates.
I'm allowed to park?
Yeah, you can park here. Just park down toward the end.
Oh, where's the loading area?
Right there.
I'm gonna load the same like this.
Oh, back there then.
I'm gonna. Where's the entrance for this?
You have to sign in online.
Sign in online. I'm
Yeah.
gonna pick up tomorrow. Can I pick up today or tomorrow?
Pick up today if you
Today,
want.
really?
Yeah, you got time.
Okay, sure.
That's what I did.
Okay. So pick up pala ako pwede dito.
You got long chains?
Oh, I got 8
You got long chains?
8 feet,
Half inch?
half inch.
Okay, get your long ones out, because I got my short ones out.
Oh, you got
And then-
short?
And then block the door, because I need my long chain.
Also, we have
So
put
what?
this one.
Yeah, what? See that right there? Look. See the stickers?
Holy.
See the stickers right there, man?
Yeah.
Okay, well, where you gonna chain down at?
Yeah.
Why not? Go
Oh.
right here.
Okay. Yeah.
Put me on
Get this
YouTube.
one. I have a channel.
What is it?
It's a Pinoy trucker.
Not Pinoy. Hey, you know what my favorite is?
What?
Chocolate meat.
Huh?
Chocolate meat.
Chocolate? What's chocolate?
Chocolate meat.
Chocolate me?
They cook the meat in the blood.
That's.
Come on, bro.
You like that?
In the way.
You like that?
Come on, man. Yeah.
That's dinuguan. It's a blood.
Chocolate meat is the best.
No way.
Yeah.
You're not Dracula.
Pancit.
Pancit? Why? Why?
One of my best friends is Filipino.
Oh, really? That's nice. People who eat chocolate meat, it's Dracula. They're Dracula. Thank you. So tinawagan na nila ako, meron ng text from them. And dito pala yung entrance, nakatago sa bush. So ito yung mga heavy machinery ng John Deere Officer Mastani at the office. Kita nyo, gaganda ka lang mga machinery, ano? Yan, no? Okay, I need 8 long chains. Kita ko nakarap sila sa gulong. Lagyan ko lang ng 4 din. Lipat ako sa labas. Ganda dito dahil yung paperwork bigay na agad nila. Okay. Maganda pag sa axle eh, dahil sure bull ba. Dito men, wala akong reklamo dito. Gusto ko tong ganito tarping. No thanks. Whew. That's it. Pero dagdagan ko pa ng chain. Ako na lang mag-isa natira. Meron pa isang heavy haul dun. Anyway, alis na sila. Nauna sila eh. So magdadagdag ako ng chain para sa pulling power niya. So dito na rin ako maglalagay sa axle. Wala akong pwedeng ibang lagyan. Ang pinakamatibay niyang foundation is yung axle. Yan o, meron siya nakalagay na hook point, pero nasaan? Ito ay pang lift lang. Tinipid nila yung ano, tinipid nila yung securement. Hey buds.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. You got a tape measure I can use?
Sure, you. Yeah. You want the tip measure or you want the stick?
I got a stick. I just wanna. They said 14 smaller, but let me see.
Yeah, take your time. Where's that? Ito matigas naman. Kasi dalawa lang yung pulling niya, okay? May gulong to. So may tendency to siya nagagalaw pag brake mo, di ba? Kailangan meron akong hatak. Dalawang hatak. Yung pahuli, okay lang. Mas gusto ko pang ganitong load. Again, ayoko ng tarping, man. Lumipat nga tayo sa RGN eh, para iwas tayo sa tarping. Pero it is what it is, man. Okay, so 50,000 pounds 50,000 pounds ang load. So ilan ang chain kailangan? Eh, kita na nila, men. Tama na yung 6. Sakto lang yung 6. Sa likod okay lang. Oh, I mean yung hatak pabalik okay lang. Importante yung how much?
How much?
I mean, what is your width?
They said 13, it's on 12.
So what is your measurement?
Measurement, yeah, it's 12 feet wide.
12 feet?
Yeah, they said 13, but 12 feet.
That's only 12 feet. This is 12 feet.
Yeah.
It's the same thing?
Yeah, it's sticking out. It's almost the same much.
Alright,
12 feet.
12 feet. What's your height?
It's 14.8.
Oh, 49.
Going to
Alright.
Sacramento.
Going to Sacramento?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. San Diego.
San Diego, California.
What's the thing best route? 80, 15?
80 and 15? I don't know, it depends on your permit.
No, I'm the one who choosing the permit route.
Well, it depends to you.
Whatever they give me though.
It depends. If there's construction on the highway, fuck up.
Yeah, so I ordered it.
Well, you have to check on your 511 if this 15 is okay all the way there. Because in our company, they choose our permit, so they know where's the construction. So we have to detour if there's construction
Yeah,
on
that's
the
what
way.
we do too. I mean, we choose it, but you know, I can take many different ways.
I know, right?
Yeah, that's why I think best route.
Who's
is
the
here.
pilot? Is that yours?
Yeah, my pilot. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think I think 80 and 15, that's the best.
80 and 15, yeah, 80 and 15.
80 and Nevada go down.
Well, that's your pilot from here all the way there to San Diego?
Yeah,
Rear pilot, right, at the back?
yeah, just a rear.
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't need high pole. If you're over 55 or 16, something like that.
Well, just double check your 511 along the way.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What's 511?
that's the ops. That's the ops for constructions. If there's any constructions along the way,
How you check 511?
well, you have to download it to your phone.
Is there an app?
Yeah, there's app. Depends on states. Every state they have 511. Like from here, Iowa 511, 80 all the way to 80. Where's that 80? Where's that going from 80 from here? Des Moines, right? Des Moines, Nebraska,
Yeah,
right?
Nebraska,
Yeah,
Wyoming.
they have all 511.
Oh, they have, every state have their own.
Yeah,
511?
they have their own
So I have
511.
download all of them.
Yeah,
apps?
check every state, how
Uh-huh.
many states you will pass, then download those apps, so you
Okay.
can check if there's constructions along your way. Might be.
You know what's the problem? Sometimes they say there is construction, there is nothing.
Yeah, sometimes they forget to update everything,
Yeah,
but double check.
yeah.
No, but 12 wide is
It's not.
it's still, yeah, as long as not 11 wide bridge constructions, that's you fuck up.
Exactly. Okay, my
Anyway,
friend, thank
what's your
you.
name?
Aslan.
Aslan, you're
Yeah.
from where?
I'm Turkish.
Turkish. You
Yeah.
speak Arabic?
No, I speak Turkish. I speak Russian. I grew
Oh,
up
okay, yeah. That's why I'm from the Philippines.
in the Philippines.
Yeah, you know the Philippines?
Of course I know.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
What's your name?
Marco.
Marco.
Yeah, is that your truck?
Yeah, that's my truck.
You're mucho dinero.
Sometimes.
Take care. Sometimes. Okay. That's that, man. Apat na pulling power. Oh. So 22,000, 40,000 pulling power niya para hindi siya apat sa unahan. Yung patras, pagkarangkada ng truck, gaganyan yung sasakyan, di ba? So tama na yung 20,000. Okay, that's enough, I think. Pero kung wala na kasi akong option dito eh, pwede pa. Well, that's enough, I think. Okay. I think that's everything good. Yeah. Okay na yan. So I'm gonna clean up, then take a picture. So again guys, sabi nga ng company, di ba, wala kaming ano na dyan there, wala kaming policy to put some windshield. So wala kami nun. So hindi ko na siya lalagyan. It is what it is, masira yan, mabasag uli. It's okay dahil wala sa policy ni Q-Line na lagyan ng tarp kasi ayaw nila magasgasan yung mga paint dyan or yung windshield. So that's okay, hayaan ko na sa ganyan. Susunod na lang ako sa policy nila kasi that time before nilalagyan ko ng ano eh, nilalagyan ko ng strap, tarp, but policy is policy, so let's go to their policy. Okay. Oh, US 61 8 westbound 380, US 20, I-27 218 westbound 218, I-9, I-35. All right, let's go. 4, alas 3 pa lang sa opisina. Kaya pa yung ano, way ticket.
In 1 kilometer, take the ramp on the right to US 61 south toward Davenport.
Hello mga Choy. Dito na ako nakapark sa gilid. Buti ka mo, nakakuha pa ako ng parking dito sa along the highway ng 380. So nakaparallel, hindi na ako pumarada dyan dahil wala makakadaan ng mga pupunta sa washroom. Ay, buti nakuha ko ngayon kasi sabi ko kanina yung aking load ay sa bukas pa sana makukuha. Yun nga, buti pumayag yung taga Jander na i-load ko na. Total maaga pa naman daw. Wala, na ano ko na sila, na cover up ko na sila. Yeah, so nakuha ko siya. Thanks. Tingnan nyo yung dumi, oh. Sobrang dumi. So pagpapalinis ko nitong trailer, kailangan kong baklasin lahat ng mga kahoy para malinis nila itong ilalim. So anyway, yeah, so paano guys? Hanggang dito na lang yung video. Bibitawan ko na kayo. I hope you enjoy sa kunting tracking vlog ng Pinoy Trucker. And I'll see you guys bukas sa panibagong biyahe pagpasok ng Canada. Pag-amping ko tayo and have a good night. Bye bye.